Why can a bicycle wheel spin effortlessly while a heavy door feels stubborn to rotate? The answer will help you solve rotational problems faster than most students in your exam. In linear motion, mass matters.
Yeah.
But in rotational motion, where the mass is placed matters even more. Same mass, same radius, completely different rotational behavior. This is the geometry of motion. A ring is the hardest to rotate. Why? Because all its mass sits farthest from the axis. A disk is easier to rotate than a ring. Its mass is spread from the center to the edge. A solid sphere spins most easily. Most of its mass is packed near the center. That's key. Remember this forever. The closer the mass is to the axis, the easier the object rotates. Exams rarely give the easy axis. The same sphere behaves differently when rotated from its edge. Think of it as shifting the rotation axis. Start from the center and transfer the axis outward. The radius of gyration is the effective distance of mass from the axis. It reveals the rotational personality of an object. Don't calculate everything. Compare the geometry and let the ratios do the work. When a ring's radius grows, its mass also grows. That's why the inertia increases dramatically. Hardest to rotate? Ring. Medium? Disk. Easiest? Solid sphere. One memory map. Endless exam questions. Rotational dynamics is not a formula chapter. It is geometry in disguise. Master the shapes, master the exam. Subscribe now and become unstoppable.